I don't know about you, but I've been spending a lot of time at home recently, which means I've been spending a lot of time outside, but also a lot of time inside. This has led to me spending way too much time in my room, wasting time and doing absolutely nothing. Hi guys, it's Gracie Laine. Welcome to my corner of the internet. Today I'm going to be spending 24 hours out of my room because I've been spending way too much time inside of it. The first thing that we need to do is pack so that we can leave the room and not miss anything. Honestly, I wasn't exactly sure what I should have been packing that day, but I knew that I needed to pack everything that I would need throughout the day. Then I had to go ask my sister if I could go spend the night with her. Can I sleep here for the night? Yeah. Yes, thanks. And the 24 hours start now. Gonna start off the day by eating the exact same breakfast that I eat every day. Now I'm gonna go move on to doing my online schoolwork, and I found that a way to get it done more effectively is to do one class at a time instead of looking at all of your assignments. So I'm gonna go employ that strategy and move on with the rest of the day. Do you guys want to say hi?
Hi. You can say hi.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Show me what y'all want to show me. Whoa!
Higher. Higher. Higher.
Why is there so much pollen though?
The trees.
Today is my cousin and grandpa's birthday, so we're gonna do making cupcakes for them and have a little virtual party. So here's a quick cupcake montage of baking cupcakes. Now we're gonna ice these cupcakes. I believe that a good idea is to use plain vanilla so that they're delicious in the most basic way possible. So let us continue. Haha, psych, we don't have vanilla, we have buttercream. Haha, psych, we actually do have vanilla. Yay! It's off. Oh, I figured it out. Okay, now let's review them. No, guys, I just dropped it. Hey, that's not funny though. Introducing our judges!
Hi, welcome to the show.
In today's episode, we're going to be reviewing cupcakes. What do you think of them?
They're great and sugary.
Show the audience how your cupcake looks. Okay, now let's taste them. Cheers. Thank you for watching this week's episode of The Show. You wanna press the end button?
Goodbye.
I'm thinking that while this stuff is in the washing machine, I can go practice piano, and then when I'm done, I can come back and switch it into the dryer, so I'm not wasting time. And we're back. Since I was already doing chores with my laundry, I was like, why not do the rest? So, do you guys hear thunder? Or is it a trash can?
Here we go. Dun, dun, da, da. TV.
So I'm back in my room and it feels great to be back. I 10 out of 10 recommend that you should try to leave your room because it was actually kind of cool. And yeah, see you in the next one.